on 100 watts, no problem there. Yeah, thanks for taking my call, Cal. I know you got a bunch of people trying to work you, so I'll let you go. Over.
Thanks a lot. You take it easy. Who's the IT9? No copy. Beaming across the Atlantic. 0 X-ray, X-ray Tango.
Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo, Yankee.
Victor Sugar.
Kilo Tango 1, KC1, TVS 5 at 9. My name's Callum, over.
Hello, Callum. My name's Alan, Alpha Lima, Alpha November, and you are a solid 5-9 here in Eastern Connecticut, 20 minutes from Hartford, Connecticut. Currently raining, and it's 53 degrees. How about yourself?
Well, temperature's come down now, but it was a lovely warm day, sunny sunshine today in the middle of England, Alan. 5-9 plus, mate. Fantastic. Hey, listen, I've got a few callers, Alan, so I've got to go. You take it easy.
All right, 7-3.
Thanks. QRZ, North America.
Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo, Yankee.
Who's the Lima Kilo Oscar? Is that KC1? Is that you, Miguel?
Yes, this is Miguel. Hello, Cal. Good to hear you very, very loud into New Hampshire today.
Yeah, New Hampshire, fantastic. 59, Miguel. I'll see you soon, over.
All right, 7-3. Have fun.
Thanks. QRZ M0XXT.
Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo, Yankee.
Whiskey 1, Echo Charlie Bravo. Hey, Greg, 5 at 9, mate. How are you?
Yeah, you're 59 in Massachusetts, and happy Mother's Day to Wendy, 73.
Is that right? Okay, thanks, Greg. North America, QRZ.
Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo, Yankee.
W4EY. Hey, Gary, you sound great, by the way. 5 at 9.
Thank you, Cal. Much better now than it was this morning. Much better conditions. You're stronger. About 1,000 watts here to my 2-element hex beam coming your way.
Fantastic. Your 2 elements, my 2 elements, 1,000 watts each way. Fantastic. Gary, you're absolutely right. What were you this morning? A lot weaker, weren't you? But there we are. Gary, you take care. Good weekend, mate.
Roger, Roger. Yeah, I was about 5 and 3, I think, this morning. 73. Whiskey 4, Echo, Echo, Yankee.
Lovely. M0 X-ray, X-ray Tango.